Hello, Anirban Upadhyaya here, and this is going to be my third vlog, and I have decided to make this an all-English vlog, mostly to be more fluent in the English language, which I am possibly, I'm not sure. Okay, but my exam season is going on. I have an exam tomorrow, it's a class test. Anyway, I hate that phone. I really do. It's not even my phone. It's my mother's phone. Anyway, unrelated news. I had my third shave today, and as I said in my last video, second vlog, that I'm going to take away was going to shave my Anti-Hitler Moustache. Anyway, and I did. Hopefully now I'll get a thick, manly mustache. Not that the Anti-Hitler Moustache wasn't cool, it was very cool. Also the main, good reason to have a completely English vlog is it's a real pain to subtitle. You know, it takes a while, it takes a long time to do. Yeah, it takes a long time to do with the fade in, fade out, writing the thing, copy, paste, whatever. It takes a long time. Anyway, what else? I don't know what else to say. I could, cut! So I'm back, and since I don't have anything much else to do, I have decided to show you my cell phone and to let you hear the ringtone I have. Okay, here it is. Yeah, that was it. I got it from my elder cousin, who's only older by 5 or 4 months, I think, and he lives in Australia. Yay! He's studying to be a doctor in his third year at Monash University. Anyway, his name is Arun Seth. If you know him, I said hi. Hi. Anyway, okay, I talk to him quite frequently. I'd say once a month, I think. Anyway, what else? No, I'm not going to roll my tongue now. Anyway, last call before signing off for the third vlog. Everyone has a Tarzan Yell. You know, when you do something awesome that you're really proud of, everyone has their own Tarzan Yell. Whenever Tarzan does that, he goes, yeah. So my Tarzan Yell is whenever I do something awesome or really good, I spread my hands into the sky like this, look up and yell, I am a miracle worker. Or sometimes I say, I am the miracle worker. I don't know, it's my Tarzan Yell, okay? I do it almost every time I do something good, or I'm really pleased with myself, like after completing a really tough section on a video game, or after giving an exam, sometimes also, although I don't tend to do that in front of people, or after I write a big report, all that stuff. So I'm sure everyone has a Tarzan Yell and random stuff. Anyway, my semester exam ends on 3rd May, I think. So far that's the schedule. Anyway, so my next vlog is going to come up after that. So till then, c'est la vie. Wait, no, that doesn't mean. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. Namaskar. And Bye.